today I'm here at one of our club waters with Carl and Alex. They've got videos on YouTube, you might have seen them. Alex is just doing a bit of spotting for the night ahead. We did some marker floats, searching the area, and we found a little hole in the lake bed. The hole of this side is about 2-3 foot. We found a hole which is going towards 4 or 5 foot. So we put out all 4 of our rods out over there in that spot. And Alex has been spotting for a good 10 minutes now. We're going to put about 1.5 kilos spod mix, or our equivalent of spod mix, out there for the night. And we're hoping to catch anything decent. So yeah.
This is the spod mix that we're using. We've already put out about 20 spods. Might seem quite a lot, but to keep the fish fed and to keep the fish in our swim during the night, we're going to have to put out a lot of baits. So that's the mix. Mainly used up some of this ground bait, halibut frenzy from Fish Frenzy Baits. Yeah, we might do top our swim up before we go to bed. Hopefully tonight we might get a big bream, big tench, maybe even a carp. I'll get back to this feeder fishing, getting a few bites, might get some more roach.
Oh, that's a bite. Yes. Nice one.
The first roach of the session. Lovely looking fish. My rod just whacked round. Crazy how such small fish can put up such a good fight. I say small, it's a really decent sized fish. Better get her back. Nice. Hope we get some more.
Hi Carl.
Hello.
What are you doing then?
Doing some float fishing, a waggler. I can't really catch anything at the moment, but had a few roach earlier, but it's gone pretty much dead. Never mind, I'm sure I'll get a few later on.
Well, good luck.
Thank you. Alright, here we go. Oh, Jesus. Here we go, there's another little fish. Only a tiny one. But catching a few now on the waggler. There you go, look at that. Tiny little fish. I'm also trying out my new Akuma reel. It's the Safina Pro. So yeah, giving that a little go. Small fish, but I'm sure they'll get a little bit bigger, just loose feeding, little and often.
Well, just had a screaming run on the little bite line there. It's a nice little roach. Swallowed the hook right down there.
We'll go and get you the discordia. I don't know if you got one.
In the pocket. Lovely little roach and a double red maggot.
Well done. Whoa, no way. Is that a...
Gudgeon! The Carl, monster gudgeon.
Oh, my favourite species, I think, is the gudgeon. Oh, it's just so cute. Ready?
Yep.
Wait. Make sure you get the whole fish in the shot. Difficult to hold, actually.
Look at that suckering mouth.
Pan along its body.
Beautiful fish.
Right, get a really good...
Yep.
Whoa, straight off. That whizzed off. I must say, I think gudgeon are probably my favourite species of fish, and my cute little mouths. But still, I'm hoping we'll get a nice big bream or tench in the night. You come on a good long session, spotted out quite a lot of bait. We do want to catch some big fish in the end of it, so yeah, let's hope they get a bit bigger.
Well, just a fish on the float.
He nicked my rod whilst I was releasing my
Look,
gudgeon.
the hooks come out the net. Different species for us. Nice little perch. One of the target species with and after. Different species for us. Nice little perch. One of the target species with and after.